How to enable disabled apps on Samsung device. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing that you're going to have to do is to simply go ahead and open up your settings menu. And once your settings is open, scroll down a bit until you find your app settings and just tap on it. Now you'll see lists of all of your apps, all of the apps that you have downloaded right here. So what you need to do next is find the disabled apps. This is an easy thing to do because Samsung has given us an option to filter out enabled and disabled apps. Just tap on the sorting icon, and from here you can filter out all of the disabled apps. Currently it's filtered by all apps. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tap on disabled and then tap on OK. Now it will show you all of the disabled apps on your device. So let's say if I want to enable Google Earth, I'm just going to tap on it. And then here at the bottom, I have this enable option. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this. And now the app has been successfully enabled. There are other apps that are sleeping as well. So if I want to enable LinkedIn, I can open it up and then enable it from here. And that's how you basically enable the disabled apps on Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.